Oh my darling, oh my darling, baby Jofu, you know I be loving you. Walk on you know you need this love. Indeed, babu, boo, 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 ba, 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 ba. Oh no, girl, you make me colo. Oh no, oh no.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, my name is Falilat, Fali for short. So for today's look, I cut the bug on this soft glam that has been going around, and also I'm launching this hair, or I'm using this hair for the first time on here. This wig, first of all, let me just talk about this wig. It's less than 15,000 naira. It's not human hair. It's about 22 inches long, because almost reaching my waist length, and I'm going to leave the link where you can get it down in the description box. So for my makeup look, basically I feel like I have a lot going on, but at the same time I don't have so much going on. So that's what this look is just all about. It's a soft glam, how you can look natural but also made up and shit. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and follow me on my other social media accounts. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I fixed my lashes off camera. Now I'm just going to apply my eyeliner, and I'm using this regular kajal. I've just drawn my brows, and since I'm doing a soft glam look today, I'll just go ahead and do my skin now, because I'm focusing more on my skin than on my face or my eye look today. So I'm going to be using this Omaricode and Bregha's Hydrate Moisturizer as my primer and moisturizer together. So usually this moisturizer serves as a moisturizer and a primer, so I'm not going to go ahead and use a face primer. I'll just apply my foundation after this. So for my foundation, I'm mixing the black Opal True Color. As you can see, it's almost finished, and this L'Oreal True Match foundation in Cocoa C8. So as usual, for my highlights, I use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So what I'm just going to do now is to blend everything. To set my face, I'm using this Benign Banana Luxury Powder. So I'm trying not to do too much today because I don't really want to have a cakey finish. So I'm just going to pat that in little by little. If you don't want this powder to stay on for too long, I'm just going to go ahead now and brush it off. Like I said, soft glam. So I'll be using this dark shades of concealer from this MAC concealer palette. I'm concealing this part with also the dark shade of the concealer so I can have a more defined jawline. And I'm extending that a little bit towards my neck area. So to contour my nose, I usually like to drag it from the beginning of my eyebrow. So I'll just pull it downward. I'm going to add more setting powder under the area where I just contoured. That's under my cheekbone area. I'm just going to leave that on to set a bit, then I'll move to my eye now. Since I'm going for a neutral bit and soft glam today, I'll be using very neutral colors of eyeshadow. For my transition color, I'll use this brown shade of blush from my blush palette. But before I go on, I'm going to brush off this powder, this setting powder that I just applied now. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using this neutral shade of brown from the Sleek palette in Snapshot 732. I decided not to prime my eyes because I already have foundation and concealer from my eyebrow when I was doing my skin, so I'm not trying to do a dramatic liner today, so my wing is going to be as short as possible. Yeah, right there. So I'm also going to use the brown from this blush palette, the one I use as my transition color, and apply it on my under eye. Just to make that more defined. So I'm just going to apply this Zaron mascara on my bottom lashes, and this is in the shade Black Lash. I'm going to bronze my face. That's the areas where I contoured with my CoverGirl Ebony bronzer. And this is just to add a little bit of warmth to my face. Guys, I actually feel like the lip part of this makeup, or the lips part of this makeup, is actually what makes it soft glam, because if you use a red lipstick, it's no longer going to be soft glam. Do you understand? So it has to be a bit nudish, natural. Yeah. So I'm lining my lips with this Zaron lip pencil in Cappuccino. This is actually a brown shade of lip liner. Then I'm going to use this MAC lipstick in the shade Kinda Sexy. I'll be topping it up with this Zaron lip gloss, the XOXO collection lip gloss, and this is in the shade Read My Lips. Read My Lips. Read My Lips. This smells so good, like candy. Oh my gosh. Can you see how this looks like milk? Oh, I love it. And finally, I'm going to be using my Zaron mattifying powder just to powder my face. And that will be all for today's look. Can you guys tell that I like Zaron products? Can you tell? Zaron, where is my ambassadorship program? You need me. You do. If you know Zaron, tell them you need me. Actually, all my Nigerian products are from Zaron. Wow. As usual, for my final step, I'll set my face with this makeup spray from Kiss Beauty. Okay guys, so I think this is the most exciting part of today's video for me. So I'm going to be launching this hair that I bought from Labello hair, and it's in the style Iskaba honey brown. So this is actually a fringe wig, and this is what it looks like. Look at the color, you guys. And this is the finishing. The finishing is so neat. The inside is so good. So I haven't worn this before. I'm going to be wearing it now. And I believe this is a UK brand, but their delivery to Nigeria is super fast. I ordered on, say, Thursday, and by Sunday I already got it. Like Saturday, they actually texted me that the hair was here. So it also came with a small weaving cap that you can use to cover your braids or your natural hair before going ahead to wear the wig. So I'm going to show you guys the cap now. This is the weaving cap that came with the wig. And ladies, sisters, please, before you wear a wig, make sure your braids that you have underneath is neat. Like, make sure your hair is neat, because your wig can fall off. Anything can happen. You don't want to be cut and fresh. Can you see how neat my hair is? Can you see that? Okay, so I'm going to wear this cap now, just to cover my hair. This is actually so good. Oh, by the way, this hair is not 100% human hair. I don't even think it's human hair at all. It feels like premium fiber or something like that. But it's really soft, really light. And the strands, they don't feel too harsh, or they don't feel like they're going to be harsh on your skin or poking your skin or something like that. So yeah. And I'm glad it came with this cap, because usually I don't even use a wig cap before wearing my wig. I know, I don't. So this is the elastic band that came with it. I'm just going to secure that. So I'm not really somebody that tries colored hair, but I think I love this. Okay. Alright, come true, girl. Oh my god, this hair is fun. I love it. It's giving me life. I mean, I have life, but it's giving me more life. So, I forgot to apply my blush. How can? So I'm going to use this shade here and apply that in an upward motion. Alright guys, so I have come to the end of this look and I love it. I love it so much. I love how I look like I don't have makeup going on, but I actually have everything going on. And this wig, mind you, I got it for less than 15,000 naira. Yeah. forgot to mention that you can actually apply heat on this hair, meaning you can straighten it or you can blow it out or something like that, but it has to be minimal amount of heat, obviously, because you don't want to ruin your weave. So yeah, that's pretty much it about this video, and I'm going to leave all details down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow me on my social media accounts. I use the same handle across board, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.